Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, as you are aware, Cognizant hiring for 2025 batch is announced, and now it is very important for you to apply with correct resume because they wanted a resume with passport size photo. Also, at many places the syllabus is not clear, like many are telling reasoning will come, many are telling aptitude will come, many are telling both will come, and they're also ignoring game based aptitude. So this video will be very important, where I will be giving you the clear information how to prepare for that. So from registration till your exam, like syllabus, and how to prepare, all those things will be discussed in this video. So before we move ahead, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update. Right now I'm in Europe, and that is the reason the videos are, it's very less videos are coming, but still I am putting effort where you could see more number of videos coming soon. So friends, Cognizant for 2025 batch hiring is announced. Superset you can go and check. So Cognizant Freshers hiring for 2025 engineering graduates, Gen C, Gen C Next, Gen C Pro, 4 to 6.75 lakhs per annum is the package. Now, so if you talk about the resume, so something like this kind of resume you need to make. Okay, and also you can see one resume which is converted in the PDF file so that you could see, and this you can easily download it and then you can modify it according to your informations, right? So one resume is with education, another is without education. Both the link will be shared with you so that you will be able to download it. Now, how to prepare, what all things comes, so that also I will show you. There is one playlist is there, Cognizant 2025. Definitely limited number of videos are there, but what kind of questions previously has been asked, so that all those things you will be able to get from here, you will be able to see from here. Okay, fine. Anyway, so many ads this YouTube will put, that is a different thing. Now let us try to understand a bit about this particular hiring. So if you come down, you could see 2025 freshers hiring student brochure, and then you see this, download this PDF and read it. So resume attached with latest passport size photograph. So they need one passport size photograph similar like Deloitte. So Deloitte resume and now Cognizant resume will no more different. So they have clearly mentioned with latest passport size photograph, then you should and must include industry accredited certificate if available to be uploaded. Okay, mandatory documents for interview, all academic documents including the college ID card, 10th 12th diploma, UG and PG marks card. Okay, so these are the information we should not miss. Mandatory document for onboarding, PAN card, passport or voter ID card. If you do not have, go ahead and get it. Okay, so friends, for resume, what you have to do now, so you download from the link which is given. Now here you could see name, email ID, contact number, LinkedIn, objective, skills and interest, education. So if you want to put, with percentage, then other resume where you could see like resume with education details. So here you can put percentage, years, experience, if you have any kind of internship, certifications, projects, okay, and hobbies and interest. So this position of responsibility you could remove it off, right? So that is fine. Okay, anyway, now I will not edit it now, so you can download and edit it. And this is one PDF, resume in PDF format where you could see the details, the photo, so you can see how smart this person is. Okay, so jokes apart, so this is how your resume should look like. Then only you will be shortlisted for the next round. So please don't take it very lightly. Now, if we'll talk about the syllabus and pattern, little bit, just go through that. So Cognizant 2025 fresher hiring for engineering graduates. So there are three categories. Gen C, they will give you 4 lakhs per annum. Gen C Pro 5.4 lakhs per annum, and Gen C Next 6.75 lakhs per annum. Okay, why Cognizant? Because Cognizant is a very good company. Now, one step registration. So your registration has already started 9th of April onwards. Screening round one will be communication assessment. So what is communication assessment? That we are going to definitely talk in detail. So here there is one video also there. So Cognizant communication round, there it has been explained. So how many sections are there? How are you going to prepare? So this particular, this particular playlist is going to be very important for all of you. That link will be there in the description. Okay, but one more thing, friends, the limited number of videos, as I said. So if you see, only for serious candidate, those who want to clear, see, otherwise what will happen, you will be always regretting कि सर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर क्यों नहीं किया, why did not I put effort? So Cognizant crash course based on the new pattern for 2025 batch is already launched. Okay, aptitude, technical and recorded videos. Okay, coding, topic wise practice set. Okay, Cognizant previous year question. Okay, one more thing. So here reasoning we have added because what happens many times, see what you do is you buy a course, right? And then for another exams, again, you need to buy a course. So that is the reason the reasoning has been added. But anyway, I will tell you the pattern for Cognizant. So there will be aptitude, then game-based aptitude, technical round, coding, and I mean technical recorded videos. I will tell you what exactly is this. Okay, where SQL and all those things will be there, then coding will be there, and then topic-wise practice set will be there. So if you go and see the content, okay, so here introduction on how to start the classes. Okay, recorded Cognizant online test new pattern. Okay, and then Cognizant previous year questions, and then live recording. So if you go to Cognizant previous year questions, you could see like Cognizant mixed PYQ. So that is here Cognizant SQL question, Cognizant technical assessment, Cognizant technical assessment question, Cognizant game based aptitude, right? And then Cognizant previous year question, Cognizant 16, 17 September questions, Cognizant 16 September question, Cognizant previous year questions, Cognizant previous year questions. So a lot of, uh, the questions are here. So which will give you a lot of confidence because the exam is not very, very easy. Coding PYQs in C++ and Python, coding PYQs in Java. So friends, it is going to be useful. That's what I could say because you will not find this Cognizant courses very easy on the platforms, right? So here you have all those things. Cognizant aptitude test inside that game-based test is also there. Technical assessment, coding assessment, right? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So see, we are trying to cover whatever we could, okay, and we are trying to provide you maximum things which will help you to crack the exam. Anyway, now, so let's come back here. So round one is your first registration, then a screening. Round one will be a communication assessment. Round two will be aptitude assessment and technical assessment, 21st of April onwards, and technical assessment 22nd of April onwards. Round three in person, Gen C Next, Gen C Pro, or Gen C LOI letter of intent, right? So 2025 batch of BE BTech, ME MTech. So even though this is this particular hiring is applicable for few companies only. Okay. Now, so friends, the first round will be communication round, and for communication round, the complete detail I think you will be able to get from here. So if I could show you, right? देखो भैया मैं दिखा देता हूँ. So okay, communication round. Okay, so let's click over here. Okay, and then you see. So I'll just take you through. So here Cognizant invites you for the communication test. Okay, and then one by one, each and everything is explained. So let's see. Okay, let's go through. See here, Cognizant communication assessment sample. This thing has been given. Okay, and then Cognizant communication round last minute. See, so reading and listening. So each and everything step by step it has been given, right? So where you will be able to understand that how your communication round will be there with timer, how much time you will be getting it for for what all rounds. So your t-shirt same here, like the same t-shirt I'm also wearing here. So this will give you the complete information. Okay. So I think you are aware about this communication round. Next क्या है? Next is sir aptitude assessment. Aptitude assessment will be for 80 minutes. In 80 minutes, 30 questions from aptitude will be there, and then you will be having game based. Sir, aptitude where I will get. देखो भाई यहाँ पे. Let's see here. Okay. So Cognizant game based aptitude, one shot. Okay. So here if you'll play. So you could see like 1,76,000 people have already prepared for this Cognizant game based aptitude, right? Sir, what about aptitude question? अरे भाई, just click over here, no? So you will be able to see Cognizant latest question. Okay. So everything you will be getting the idea. Okay. Then next is, sir, technical assessment. Technical assessment you will be getting inside this crash course. This crash course definitely will give you a lot of idea from there, right? Okay, so that is done, and get this crash course right now and start your preparation. And after that, LOI you will be getting it. Okay, so this all those things we have, many things we have tried to cover from here. Nobody will be covering all this part. That is for sure, which you also know. But still, we have tried to cover most of the things. SQL we have tried to cover. Okay, Java we have tried to cover. Okay, and then Python we have tried to cover. Obviously, skills cluster 3, this will not be covered like CISA, but other things has been covered. So let us, put more effort and make sure that yes, definitely you are going to crack this Cognizant exam with online study for you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon. This, resume download link and this particular, this playlist, this link will be given in the video. तब तक के लिए take care, and soon I'll be back, and again you could see the videos on the bigger screen, but it might take some time. Okay, so it's kind of a holiday which I'm enjoying in Europe, and definitely some videos will come soon. uh, that is what I mean, what I'm doing here. Okay, thank you. Take care. All the very, very